Kenny?
Liz, to be clear, this is not a mandate or order by the state. There won't be any checkpoints here at the airport or on the roads to restrict people from traveling ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday. But today, the top health official in California urging and asking all residents not to travel if it's non-essential. The sparsely filled terminals at the airports and freeways during rush hour haven't looked the same during COVID. Neither will Thanksgiving travel for some.
If I have 3 children, I have 5 grandchildren, and normally we do get together, either at Thanksgiving or Christmas, but not this year because of the COVID.
I think it's okay to travel as long as you're taking the necessary precautions and wearing your mask and hand sanitizer, all those good things. I think it will be okay.
Health officials are encouraging residents to stay local ahead of the holiday, to avoid non-essential out-of-state travel, and for people arriving from other states to self-quarantine for 14 days.
We urge people to consider staying close to home, staying at home, staying with their household, experiencing loved ones virtually, on the phone, by Zoom.
Ultimately, the decision is yours. AAA estimates this year 50 million Americans will hit the road for the holiday. That's down from 55 million in 2019 and the largest drop since the Great Recession in 2008. This comes as COVID hospitalizations across the state have risen by at least 50% in the last month, according to the California Department of Health.
It's like little coronavirus bombs going off. The rate of increase is exponential after it looks gradual. So that's what I'm worried about. But again, if we try to mitigate risk as a community, we're going to prevent that surge.
Kenny, do we have a sense of how many states are encouraging people not to travel?
So, Liz, we know that Oregon and Washington also issued travel advisories in coordination with state health officials in California. We also know that nearly half of the states in this country have some type of travel restrictions. Some are more stringent than others. For example, like Hawaii, if you want to travel to that state, you have to test for COVID-19 and prove that you tested negative by uploading documents before you travel. We should also note that the CDC is advising all people to travel as little as possible ahead of the holidays.
All right, Kenny Choi live for us. Thank you, Kenny.